Inhale, hands up, palms touch, look at your thumbs. Exhale, fold forward, hands to the mat, head to the knees. Inhale, look forward, plant the hands, step or jump back, exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog, and exhale to downward facing dog. Feet hip width, spread the fingers. Look forward, bend the knees, jump your feet to the area behind your hands and bring your knees right into your armpits for Bakasana, crow pose. If you straighten your arms, you can move into crane pose. Lift your heels towards your butt, bring your feet together, look forward, breathe, squeeze your abs, hold, and then when you're ready, exhale, jump back and lower to chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog, and exhale to downward facing dog. Breathing deeply in and out through your nose. Deep breathing with sound. Look forward, bend the knees. Jump your feet to the top of your mat. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold, head to knees. Inhale, hands up, palms touch. Look at your thumbs. Exhale, arms down. Now from here, step out with your right foot, take a medium to wide stance, pivot your feet to the back of your mat, and exhale, grab your right big toe with the peace fingers of your right hand. Left hand reaches up, legs are straight, kneecaps are lifted. This is called Trikonasana, triangle pose. Try to bring your body into one plane. Continue your deep breathing. Now we're going to exhale, look down at the right foot, frame your foot with your hands. Step your left foot back, try to ground the heel into a pyramid pose. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold, bring the chin to the right shin. Again, squeezing the kneecaps. This is a deep hamstring stretch. Hold here, and then start to bend that right knee as you bring the weight into that right foot. Inhale, bring the left leg up into a standing split. If you want to grab that right leg with one or both hands to add more balance, go ahead. Now we're going to bend the left knee, reach and catch that left foot with your right hand in a reverse sugarcane pose. Bring that left knee as high as you can, using your left hand to help keep you balanced. This is a great hip opener. Then exhale, plant the right hand, send the left leg back, bend the right knee, and come to a runner's lunge. From here, we're going to dip the hips. Inhale, look up, fingertips are on the floor. And then we're going to spin around to the front into a wide foot stretch, Prasarita Padottanasana. Bring the hands underneath the shoulders, pigeon toe the feet, straighten the legs. From here, inhale, look forward, straighten the spine. And then exhale, fold forward, grab your ankles, bend your elbows to a 90-degree, and bring the crown of your head towards the floor in the area between the feet. Then inhale, bring your hands to the floor, look forward. Exhale, bring your hands to your waist. Inhale, stand up. And then we're going to do Trikonasana on the other side, so pivot your feet towards the left side, the front of your mat. Exhale, grab your left big toe with your peace fingers, right hand reaches up, look up. Bring your head back, hips forward, legs are straight, kneecaps are lifted. Pull the lower abdominals in towards the spine. Exhale, look down towards the left foot, frame the foot, pivot the right foot back, coming into your pyramid pose. From here, we're going to inhale, lengthen, look forward, exhaling, fold, twisting back into the left hip, pulling forward with the right hip, reaching the crown of your head towards the left big toe. Then slowly bend that left knee as we come into standing split, bringing that right leg up high. Again, if you'd like to grab your left calf with one or both hands for more of a challenge, go ahead and do it. Bend the right knee, catch the right foot with the left hand, and go ahead and lift that right knee up high, looking forward, planting that right hand on the ground for balance, opening the hip here. And then inhale, extend that right leg and step it back to a runner's lunge. Dip the hips, look up. Then we're going to exhale, step forward and fold. Inhale, rise up, palms together, look at your thumbs, and exhale, bring the hands to heart center. Now, again, inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs, take a little back bend. Exhale, fold forward, hands to the mat, bow the head to the knees. Inhale, look forward. Let's step it back to a plank position and exhale to chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog and exhaling to downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, come to your toes, bend your knees, and come on down to the knees for Ustrasana camel pose. Bring your hands to your lower back. Squeeze your shoulder blades, squeeze the elbows, lift the chest. Bring the head back, hips forward. Keep going, and then if you can, reach back and grab your heels. Continue to push the hips forward like your thighs are glued to a wall. Lift your heart, squeeze your shoulder blades, drop the head back. Then inhale, come forward, and let's sit on the heels. Bring the knees together, and then bring the forehead to the floor. Inhale, lift your hips as you hold on to your heels in a rabbit pose, Sasangasana. This is a great restorative pose. After a few breaths in Sasangasana, go ahead and extend your arms. You can spread your knees in child's pose as you allow your body to rest down towards the floor. Slow the breath, slow the body down. Walk your hands together. Go ahead and bring the palms together, wiggle the elbows forward. Bend the elbows, bring the thumbs to the base of your neck. And thank you for joining me in this quick Vinyasa sequence to get your energy going. Namaste.